Oh no, we're recording again. What the fuck happened?
You are relieved of the...
I don't know what this thing's a mystery. The camera.
It's a new tool.
Camera. Push the camera button, I think, and it stops it. I don't know what you want a video. I got it pointed down in that direction.
Okay, let me get this out of the way. The rest of the way. Okay.
Oh yeah, that makes a difference.
Everybody can see what's going on. Now, do you see the weld?
It's recording.
Okay, this is where the weld is bad, and I'm going to use the C-clamp, the block of wood, and the metal.
What are you doing?
I'm talking.
I don't think it has audio.
It does have audio.
It does? Okay.
Absolutely does.
Okay. I never had a borescope with audio. Okay. Okay, I see. I got it where you need it to be.
Okay.
Now you can go tighten the clamp or whatever.
I'm down here. I'm going to tighten the clamp. You see anything happening or no?
Yeah, I mean it's almost closed up.
Okay.
Okay, go a little more. Okay, come up and look at it, see what you think. Because I can't see it real well, but I can see it in the camera real well. And it looks like there's a little bit of crack right there.
Oh, wow. No, it's closed all the way up to the weld.
Okay, yeah, in here I can just see a little bit of a crack. Okay, so we're good.
Yeah,
okay.
That closes it up.
Okay.
All right, we got the welder set up. We've got we took the battery out, the power steering pump out. We've got a big C-clamp in there, holding everything together. Pulled it back into place, and we're gonna do what should have been done when it was born from nature.
It's hooked on something. I got it.
Okay.
Oh man, there's no light down there. I don't know where I am. Let's see. Okay, I know where I am.
Okay.
Nothing's happening. I can't see in there. Something came walking out of there. I need more light.
Some kind of bug.
I need more. Yeah, he's probably getting real hot. I need more light down there.
Well, I had all that light before. It was too much.
Yeah,
Hold
I know.
on.
But
let me stop and I'll see what I can find here.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
Something in the way.
Yep, that's fine. It's a little bit on fire. It's pretty good though. Oh, you didn't get all the way across yet?
No, I don't know if I want to. I don't know if it's supposed to be all the way across. But I guess if I am, I'm going to come from the other way. I'm waiting for the smoke to stop.
Got that roaches out of there. Alright, I can take that piece of wood out of the way if that helps you.
Yeah, well, that's the biggest problem right now is that wood's in the way.
Well, now that it's tacked,
yeah, it's not going to go anywhere.
Alright, that might hold better than that factory weld.
I guess.
I guess. That'll do her. That'll do, pig. That'll do. Give me a smile. You done good.
Want me to fix the other factory weld?
Come on, look up at me. You did good.
What about that factory weld?
Which one? That booger one?
I could fix that hole.
But
maybe we ought to just leave it alone. I don't think it's going to go anywhere.
Yeah, I think there's enough bad weld on there to hold it together.
I don't really like this weld. I want to go after it again.
I wouldn't, but go ahead.
I am going to.
Okay. That's never going anywhere ever again.
Nope, it's good now.
All right, excellent work. Now we can put it back together.
What about the cracks that are there?
I mean, now the load, instead of being out here where it shouldn't be, the load will be up here.
Well, the
So
load
those
will be-
cracks are not relevant
The load will be on
on the
the gusset, not on
the yeah.
on the other thing.
Yeah, so I mean,
so you're willing to just accept the cracks there on the backside because there's no load on them really.
there's no load on that part. Yeah, yeah. I don't think it's really going to be a. Yeah, no, we've just reinforced it beyond what it ever has been. So I think that it will last another 20, 30, 40, 50 years maybe.
Well,
And then
time,
come in and weld it some
I
more.
doubt it lasted at all. I bet that broke within the first year it was used.
Nah.
What, that little tiny weld that was there?
Well, the weld broke, but the car flexed and flexed and flexed and flexed for a decade and then broke. And it still got used, even though it was a little bit wonky.
After that cools off a bit, spray some paint on it. So it doesn't
Ooh, paint.